Hello Mammalo experts, welcome to Mammalo's demonstration video. Today I'll be showing you on how you can set up your online experience. The first thing that you will need to do is log into your Mammalo account. Once you've logged in, right at the top, click the picture of your profile. Once you're on the profile, you'll need to click on My Services. Then, once you've clicked on My Services, right at the bottom you need to click Apply for a new service. Then, please select a category. You can select Online Experience. Once you selected a category, then select a service. There's many different types of services you can pick, so scroll through the list until you find what is right for your experience. Then after this, you can select how many years of experience you have providing your service. Then the next part is to write a service description. This is different from your general description. This description you'll have to really sell yourself and tell people what your service is about. Good things to include in this description is what service you're offering, why the Mammalo community should pick you and your service, and any interesting facts about you. Next, you'll need to choose your cancellation policy. Then finally, you need to choose your distance. When asked to select your distance, as we're providing online experiences due to the lockdown restrictions, you can select whatever distance you prefer. Now we need to add prices. When you scroll up to the top of the page, you need to click on your prices, then click add a new item. Each item will be an individual service, so you'll get a box for each different online experience service you want to provide. So you have a different duration, price and description for each one. For example, let's say we're doing gel nails, we're charging £20, our session's going to be 45 minutes, then underneath you have to write a description of that online experience. When it comes to nails, there are plenty of things that you can showcase online. One example is having a tutorial on how to paint easy designs by yourself. This gives the customer some value and will require them to book someone for more complicated designs. Since you taught them, however, they are inclined to use you in the future. If you're interested in adding more online experiences, you just need to duplicate the last step that we just did before. Once you're happy with your services, just click save and you're done. Thank you for watching Mammalo's demonstration video. If there's anything that you didn't understand, feel free to email us at hello@mammalo.com. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye!